One of the most popular ways, you know, Terry, to combat fine lines and wrinkles is Botox.
Exactly, and a lot of women and men have questions about it. How does it work? What's the injection process like?
So we headed over to our friends at the Bengtson Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery to answer those questions and to tell you about a popular skincare treatment known as the silk peel. Many people say they want to look as young as they feel, or perhaps even younger, and so that's why we're here at the Bengtson Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. We're talking with Dr. Bradley Bengtson about Botox, because that's really one of the most popular procedures here.
It is, yeah. Thanks for coming today, Rachel. So, yeah, Botox is the #1 procedure done in the United States yearly. It's over 3 million injections, actually, that occur.
Wow.
And we're fortunate enough to be one of the national training sites for Botox. We're real excited about that. We train a lot of physicians, PAs, and nurses on these different things we'll show and demonstrate today.
So Botox is really helpful in getting rid of those fine lines that make us look older.
Exactly. So Botox is great for animation lines, or lines that are present with motion. So we have a great patient here today, and Courtney Custer is our PA, and so basically what we're going to do is be demonstrating a Botox injection. So if you can just kind of animate for me here a little bit. So Botox is great for these lines that are created with animation versus like a filler like Juvederm that we would place in the nasolabial folds or chin creases that for lines that are present already at rest.
So when the procedure is done, what exactly happens?
So basically we determine the main lines that a patient is concerned about, and then we make sure that the Botox is diluted and prepared at a level that's adequate to treat an area. And then we'll basically inject right into the muscles, and it selectively weakens the muscles that it's injected into.
Okay, that sounds wonderful. Just one of many procedures here to make you look and feel better. So let's take a look at the skincare. So tell me about your skincare practice.
Yeah, so here at the Bengtson Center we have an actual segment or separate practice for skincare dedicated to skin. It's called the Transform Skincare Center and Laser Center. And so we offer over 400 different products from about 20 different vendors, as well as doing a lot of different procedures, that one of which we're going to show you today.
Okay, I understand that you're one of the few places where you can actually get a silk peel. What is that?
Yeah, so silk peel is, that Tina is demonstrating here, it's kind of like a microdermal on steroids. So it's a very unique microdermabrasion process that actually involves a suction process that suctions the skin up into the handpiece, and then does a dermabrasion in conjunction with that, but also can infuse different things like vitamin C, the Mixel, that kind of gets rid of some of the brown pigment and stuff in the skin all together in one treatment.
So what is the final goal?
Really takes off the outer layer of skin, refreshes the skin, revitalizes it, it stimulates collagen formation, and it also just really plumps the skin up. I mean, directly after the treatment, it's a very dramatic effect.
Amazing, all to help with the goal of looking and feeling your very best. We're here at the Bengtson Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. Check it out. You know, Terry, several months ago I had the opportunity to try Botox administered by Dr. Bengtson, and it was a relatively painless experience. The results were really apparent in the area between my eyes, kind of between my eyebrows, where the frown lines appear. I felt like that made me look like I was scowling at times, though I'm a pretty smiley person. I didn't want to put that negative picture in the world. And so, you know, I've gone through that process, and it really was a good experience, especially with Dr. Bengtson, who's just a joy to work with.
Oh yeah, he is wonderful, and of course their entire staff there. And the nice part about it is, you know, I've been watching. It's just kind of it really is. It's sort of noticeable, but only in a very positive way. It's like you look like you're 10 years younger than you already were.
Thank you very much. And we wanted our viewers to know that Dr. Bengtson is holding a Botox Cosmetic Filler Day next Wednesday, February 2nd, at his offices at the Women's Health Center.
That's right. It runs all day from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. Walk-ins are welcome. Appointments, though, are recommended. You can call their offices at 616-588-8880 or email to info@bengtsoncenter.com.
They wanted us to let you know about the specials they're running that day as well. There's special pricing on Botox between $10 and $12 per unit, as well as savings on Juvederm facial fillers, $50 off your first syringe and $75 off your second.
You'll also get a 15% off skin care products. When you buy 3 or more, you'll get 25% off all of the skin care treatments.
Yeah, over 400 products they carry there. Dr. Bengtson is also offering clients $150 off the purchase of an IPL laser package, and buy one, get one free on the Latisse eyelash enhancement kit.
And again, that's next Wednesday, February 2nd. You can call or email to reserve your spot.
That's a lot of specials we were just going through.
That is really
big
great.
Savings.
Yeah, February 2nd. I think he picked that day because it's Groundhog Day.
And maybe it's just before Valentine's Day.
And just before Valentine's Day, so a lot of things to celebrate, kind of kick off the month of February, putting your best face forward.
Absolutely.